Everybody, I wanted to take a quick look at MathXLforschool.com. This website has been really helpful to me. Since I teach math courses, I'm always looking for more practice that students can have and also assistance that students may need for select problems. So we'll take a look at how we can make an assignment in MathXL. So let's click Create Assignment. This will be for my geometry class. Let's create a homework. Let's call this test homework. And next. The current textbook that I'm using is Prentice Hall Geometry from 2011. But what's cool about MathXL is that there are tons of textbooks that we can link into our assignments. So let's say that you teach Beecher College Algebra, the 5th edition. You could switch to that textbook and add in questions that are similar to that content there. But for now, we'll just stick with the geometry setup that we're working with currently. Let's say that I want to add in some problems that deal with 30, 60, 90 triangles and 45, 45, 90 triangles. I can go to that chapter, go to that section. Let's also narrow it down by objective, which is really helpful here. Just by clicking this little box. Let's go for 45, 45, 90 triangles. We can zoom in and get a little quick preview. We can also click this and get a feel for what the problem is going to be like. We can see the completed problem. We can try the problem out as a student. Notice also that if I keep clicking this, it'll change up the numbers that are here and also what the answers should be. This one seems okay, so let's add that. And we'll back out. Let's also add a question that deals with 30, 60, 90 triangles. This one seems okay, so we'll add that in. We can then hit next. Let's say that I want this to be due when the quarter ends, which would be the 27th. And let's make that end at 2:30. Since I'm teaching this in a virtual format, all of the assignments are posted and available. I'll have this keep going from today at 12 a.m. And I can also switch up what time I'm working with. So I'm in the Eastern Standard Time. If I decide that I want a password, I can make that happen. But for now, I'm just going to hit Save and Assign. And this will go for everybody in this group that has enrolled and logged into the course. And so on here, I can see all of the courses that I posted to my students. On the right side, if I click the box here, select, I can preview what this section is going to look like. So I can work through these problems as if I was a student, which I think is helpful because I've come across students who just need a certain step explained where they know how to do almost everything, but their answer is slightly off. What's cool about MathXL is that it gives you a prompt as far as how they prefer to have your answer, whether it is in a decimal format or a radical format. They do a great job of describing that. So I use MathXL pretty regularly. I use it for quizzes and tests, definitely virtually. I thought that has worked pretty well. And also for practices and extra assignments if need be. If you have any questions on MathXL, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.